Things that we try to do is we don't care if we lose on the first sale. We'll give the bloody product away, or if we have to pay up to 100% in PPC,
Yeah.
go ahead,
Yeah.
have it. Some people have heart attacks because of that,
Exactly.
but we think that if we can get our brand in front of them, that they're going to come back to us.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. You can go on the red on consumables and recurring stuff. And the thing on Amazon is like most of the people you compete with, they don't view it like that. So when they see they're, like losing money on the front end for weeks and weeks, they're just going to back down. And then their ranks start to drop as well. So if you kind of know like what the value is like of the customer, you can be a lot more aggressive and really kind of like push these people around too. So, which is good on Amazon. But yeah, like as far as like other channels, like really like selling on your website is where you want to have some stability there if you're building like a real brand and business, I think. That's where I put a lot of focus, and like driving a lot of awareness to your website. That's going to trickle over to these other platforms as well.
Any tips, tricks on external traffic to your website or to advertising on other channels?
Right. So, I mean, depending on what you sell, like where you put your focus, it's going to differ, I think. I wouldn't say there's like a one size fits all answer for that. Like you're not going to run Facebook ads for every type of category of products, I think. Some things do very well, like on Pinterest. Some things you need to kind of look more into YouTube probably. But for me, like I drive most of my traffic currently through Facebook ads just because like it works, and I just focus in on what works. And it's a lot. You can scale products very quickly if you know how to optimize that customer journey to get them to buy more things. Like when you're selling on your website, you get a lot of different touch points with the customer that you don't get on Amazon. So they go to your website, you can retarget them for weeks and weeks and weeks. You can collect their phone number and you can do text marketing to them. You collect their email, you can put them on a drip sequence that goes for months. And that's just going to keep your brand like top of mind for them. So like when it's coming time to rebuy, instead of going to Amazon to buy your competitor, like they're seeing your emails, they're seeing your texts, they're seeing your ads all the time. They're probably going to like look at you again. So that's like the real benefit of like controlling the website, and then having these pixels for different ad marketplaces to retarget marketing to them, email indefinitely. Then whenever you run like sales for like Black Friday, for example, you've got a list of all these emails, all these texts built up, and you could just blast them, send them to your website, and it's gonna be a lot easier than say like running a lightning deal on Amazon. Like if that's your only like promotion mechanism for like big sales, it's like you're kind of at a disadvantage now if you're really like competing against brands that are doing this sort of thing.
Do you do a lot of email marketing?
Yeah. Anytime there's like like a quarterly sale or something, I'll do like a blast. Then I have like drip sequences depending on what they buy. So if they buy like a small version of my product, like I'll educate them more about the product, and then I'll introduce like the larger sizes, and then I'll cross promote things that I launched specifically because I knew that the customers that were buying that were also interested in the other ones. And then if you can just like on your website, it's like you just have like one product that's profitable, that can fuel like the traffic and awareness for all the other ones on your site too. And like a lot of the big e-commerce brands, they don't drive traffic to all the products on their website. It's like one product that really like is profitable and stands out that they're sending a lot of awareness to, and then that fuels a lot of the other things.